How's it going, guys? Memorial Day today. Officially been 4 months and 1 week exactly since I injured my heel. My foot was kind of getting better, especially once I started using the boot about 2 months ago. But then it kind of stopped, and then it got a little worse. And now it's not really making progress. So I think I've delayed getting an MRI or an ultrasound or any sort of scan long enough. I still don't really have the money, but I'm gonna make a deal with myself that if I can make $2,000 this week, I'm gonna do it. We'll see if it happens. So if you're wondering how I can make that much, I kind of started day trading a while ago, and then I stopped because I lost all the money I made. But then I started again, and I've been able to be more consistent about it. So I'm gonna try this week. If it happens, then great. I'm finally gonna figure out what's wrong, and if not, I'm out of luck. And it wasn't meant to be. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll see if I made any money. Alright, it is Tuesday, and so far I have made almost $750 that I sold out because I don't know if you know anything about stocks, but they just went up again. Okay, sorry about that false alarm. So basically, I don't know if you know anything about the stock market or anything like that, but there's kind of these support resistance lines when things are going up or down, and it's kind of approaching one, and it's hit it a couple times. So I figured I'd rather just sell it at that line, and then if it breaks past it, then I'll buy back in again. That way I'm just not holding it, waiting and hoping it goes up past it, only for it to get rejected and go super far down, because it's done that before. And it looked like it's gonna go past it for a second, but it was a false alarm. It's also good to wait to make sure that is what it's doing, because if it just does it for each of these things is 5 minutes, if it only does it for one of the 5-minute things, it doesn't really mean anything. Made about $750 so far, and the price right now is basically what I already sold it at. So I'm gonna wait and see if I can make more, if it decides to go up or down, because I can make money on either. But right now it's kind of in the middle. It's a good start to the week. About $1,300 left to make in 3 days, 4 days if you include today. So let's keep going. I don't know how much of this information you guys want to know, but I bought in on the down. It is descending now, started breaking the pattern. So I bought into the inverse, which you make money if it goes down. And so far I'm up $200 on that. So, all right guys, it is about 3-4 hours later, and trading is a train ride, let me tell you. The price went further down, which I wanted it to do, but I didn't sell because I thought it was going to go down further, and then it went all the way back up and past, and then I was down $200 after being up $400. And then I kept going, kept losing more, and then it went back, and I sold right about at break even. So overall today, still $750 up, but I sold at break even, right? And then right after I sold, it shot back up again, which would mean if I stayed in, I would have lost another $300. So it's a good thing I did not do that. It's a good day. $12.50 is what I need to make for the rest of the week in order to go to the hospital. Alright guys, I don't know what in the is going on. I'm pretty sure I just took a $300 loss on a swing, because the one stock that I was in went down, even though everything else went up, which is sad, but I made money yesterday, so it's fine. But Robinhood, the trading app that I'm using, is glitching the out. I don't know what's going on. It just randomly tripled my account for no reason, and it says that I have $20,000 in stocks when I clearly don't. I counted all of the equity in all of them. It's nowhere near that. Restarted my phone. The last trade I made selling, it won't show up. What is this? Look at it. The green line is all the way down here, and then for no reason. None of the stocks went up a ton, and it just does not make any sense. And I don't want to use the app unstable like this because it hasn't even registered my last sale. So I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. Okay, so I just looked it up, and apparently a bunch of other people are having similar problems. Most people, a bunch of money just vanished from their account, even though the stocks don't add up to it. I mean, at least mine went up, because some of them are getting margin calls. But I don't really feel comfortable making any trades on Robinhood right now, because it's clearly very glitched out. So luckily, the stock that I've been trading hasn't done anything in the last 30 minutes of me trying to figure out this issue. It has just basically stayed the same. That's nice for now, not missing out on too much, but I still lost $300 on that sale no matter what the app is telling me. So I'm up only $450 this week now, so now I have $1550 to make the rest of the week in 2 days. So we'll see if that's possible. I seem to fix the glitch by buying into something again that reset the amount of money I had to an accurate number, but it just randomly says that I made tens of thousands of dollars and then lost it all. So that's funny. I bought into something that I think will go down tomorrow. Normally I wouldn't do risky swing trade stuff, but I gotta make $2,000 this week, so all bets are on. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and see if we made any money. Hopefully at least I made the $300 that I lost today back. That'd be nice. Hey guys, what's going on? It is the next day as promised, and today so far the profit is $1,269. I sold around right here, and it's a prior support level, which basically means it usually turns around at that point. So to be safe, I sold, and if it breaks past it, then it's more likely to shoot down really far, or if it reverses more, then I'll buy back in. But right now I'm out, and we'll see if I can make more today. The goal is 2,000. It is Thursday, which means there's one more trading day this week, which is tomorrow. And 1250 plus 450 is, can't do math because I just woke up, it's like 6 in the morning, 1,700. So that means I have 300 left to meet the hospital test goal. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll let you know if anything exciting happens. I really quickly just made, it's the same day, just made another $180 in about maybe 30 seconds on a day trade. Not allowed to make any more day trades today, which is annoying because of the poor person rule, I mean the PDT rule. But it's at a bottom resistance again, so I sold there. So now I'm only 120 away from my goal. I would have met it, but I did my math wrong in my head and sold too early. But oh well. I'm close. I'm close. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. You'll never guess how much money I lost. Just kidding. Made $134 today. I did all the math, and the grand total goal was 2,000 for this week is $2,014.10. Let's go! Which means I met it, and I can call the hospital. Not right now though, because it is 6 in the morning, so they would not answer. The crazy thing is I was considering going all in on a swing for it to go down yesterday, but I was like, no way, I'm so close to my goal, I can't like risk losing a bunch of money. But if I had, I actually would have been right, and I would have made at least as much as I made on the first day this week, which is kind of ridiculous because that would mean that on the swing trades this week I would have been right on predictions 3 to 4 times. It has to just be luck because there's no way I'm that accurate, because I'm not, because no one is. You know, I pushed myself this week and I made the most I've made in a week in my whole life. I don't think it can happen again because I put a lot at risk this week. The last time I did that, I got confident. I made a bunch in 2 weeks, and then I lost it all in like 2 days if you are playing it this risky all the time. So there's no way I'm gonna be able to maintain this, but it worked this week, and that's all I needed. I started this random video challenge thing because my friend suggested it, and I'm like, there's no way this is gonna work. Like, the internet's just gonna watch me fail, but somehow I didn't. So that's cool. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'm probably gonna post this before I even go to the doctor because I most likely won't be able to schedule anything until after the weekend since it is Friday. I don't want to wait too long on a video since I'm already a couple days late. But I will post the full injury update with the progress of it after that, and after I go to another place to get the opinion on the scan and everything. So hopefully things will become better because of this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright. See you next time. Peace.